Some of the strongest supporting arguments for defined benefit pension plans are universal. They're bang for the buck value, for example. But critics cling to the same old arguments to justify eliminating them. They crowd out other services, taxpayers are on the hook, etc. In fact, the argument that your pension is sound and sustainable can be won on the merits. To make a pitch for someone's attention, especially about a complex subject, grab their interest with something inviting. People are curious. If you deliver materials as part of a picture in small bites, people are more likely to read the story that picture represents. Infographics are visual, versatile, and portable. Nearly 50% of your brain is involved in visual processing, and 70% of all your sensory receptors are in your eyes. So presenting key talking points in a picture packs a punch. Your plan sponsor has a great deal invested in your pension plan, and city officials are always fighting to balance the budget. So appeal to their inner Scrooge by showing them the financial advantages to the DB model. In the next several slides, we'll show you examples of infographics that, dare I say it, illustrate the points. All these graphics are available to our FPPTA members for free. You can find them on our website under the Resources tab on the home page. So, there are some universal truths about the strengths of the DB plan. Let's look at some of the infographics that convincingly tell those truths. For example, it's good for the economy. A retired workforce with a guaranteed income is a reliable source of revenue and ultimately returns many times more to the economy than it costs to finance the benefit. Retired public workers support local jobs when they buy from local retailers and dine at local restaurants. Do officials in your community know 70% of every benefit check paid to retired workers comes from investment earnings on the pension plan, not taxpayer dollars? Or that cities use an average of between just 3 to 5% of total spending to support a pension plan. Infographics let the numbers speak for themselves. This one emphasizes the value of DB plans to employers and employees, as well as their value to the economy. Did you know 79% of public workers surveyed would prefer benefits to a pay raise? Same design, different set of facts. DB plans bring in quality employees who have longer tenure than their private sector counterparts, and DB plans can be as much as 48% cheaper to operate. These economic facts are universally true for defined benefit plans, and sharing their cost efficiencies in infographics like these helps shift the narrative of the DB story. The FPPTA provides updates of these infographics and creates new ones each year, so check our website periodically to see what support materials we can provide.